If a girl feels that she is not in a position to judge the character of the boy she's about to marry, can she leave the decision on her parents?
The question poses that can a girl who cannot judge the character of a boy she is willing to select, can she leave the decision on the parents? Very well, sir. There's no harm at all. She can trust the parents, she can take the guidance. In fact, taking guidance of the parents is mustahab. Unless you know that the parents are going against the Sharia, taking guidance is good from the parents, they are more experienced. Unless you have solid proof that the parents are not very much Islamically inclined and then you go against the wishes, that is fine. Otherwise, taking the advice is good, you should take. And amongst the four criteria which the Prophet said that a person looks for in marriage, one is beauty, second is wealth, third is nobility, fourth is virtue. And the Prophet said the best that you should look for is a virtuous spouse. And virtue is the most difficult to judge, sister. To judge beauty, you can very well judge. You can see the boy and you can immediately decide within a few seconds whether he's handsome or not. Same for the boy. If he wants to choose a wife, he can look at the girl, he can decide immediately within a few seconds whether she's beautiful or not. When it comes to wealth, there are high chances that you will be correct by looking at the house, looking at the bank balance, looking at the business, whether the person you're marrying is wealthy or not. When it comes to nobility, you can look at the family history, at the family tree, you can come to know. The most difficult to judge, sister, is the virtue. There is a type of negative testing. If a person is not virtuous, checking that is easy. But whether a person is virtuous is very difficult, sister. So for example, if you know certain things about the boy, that fine, he has many girlfriends, etc., you can be sure that he is not virtuous. But if you feel and have done an inquiry that doesn't have girlfriends, or he is modest, yet the chances of inquiry is not 100% true. So the chances of making a mistake in the criteria of virtue and character is the maximum, sister. But what you have to do is that as far as possible, rule out the things which surely indicate that he is not virtuous, he is not of a good character. That you can do, sister, but 100% sure you cannot be, because this checking of virtue and character is very difficult. But very well you can take the help of your parents, and you should take. They'll help you to maybe judge, unless they are not very close to the Quran Sunnah. That is the only time where you can go against the wishes. Hope that answers the question, sister.